Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I want to share with you guys an app that might be your app replacement for Dark Sky. So if you guys haven't heard, of course, Dark Sky got acquired by Apple a few weeks ago. And now there's a new app that might just be an awesome replacement for you on the iPhone. So the app is called RainViewer. So RainViewer is an awesome app that, just by the name of it, you already know what it is. It's an app that it's a weather app that tracks the rain, of course. So it gives you alerts whenever it's going to rain in your area. And what I like about this app is that it supports a lot of countries around the world. So like Dark Sky, I think only supported the States and I think some parts of Europe, and that was pretty much it. So the app is free to download, but there is a lot of ads that pop up and a lot of features that are not available in the free version. And so I did the paid version. There's an in-app subscription where it unlocks the pro versions and just unlocks all the features, of course. So let's check out the app. So first off, of course, you have your map area of where you want to check the weather from. So right now, of course, I'm checking from here in Ottawa. So I'm gonna check how. So right now it shows me that there's no rain for the next hour. So it's gonna be a nice weather, and from the looks of it, it doesn't look like it's going to rain today. And of course it shows, of course, the weather, how the weather's going to be, the temperature wise, everything here in the timeline for the next 48 hours or 14 days as well, if you want to take the risk and see how the weather's going to be throughout the week as well. And then of course you have your notifications area. So here, of course, I get my notifications if if it's going to rain. So if it's going to rain, it'll send me a notification. Then of course the radius as well so I selected 10K, 10 kilometers. So that's the area that I want to get notified for. Next, we have the radar area. So in the radar area, of course, you is pretty much just the area to see in live how it is right now. So as you can see, pretty much it's nice. It doesn't look like in my areas there's no rain or anything like that coming our way. So yeah, it's just really great app. And of course, you could check other parts of the world from here as well, which is really great as well. So yeah, it's just a fantastic way to check the weather, of course, and the in other parts of the world. And of course, you have your settings tab right here. So here, of course, in your settings tab, you have, of course, the rain, how it's going to look, the color wise, so that you know. Of course, if you want to track snow, right now I have it turned off, of course, because it's summer here. So, of course, there's no point of turning on the snow feature right now. And, of course, clouds. If you want to track clouds, you can track clouds as well. And then, of course, you have your color scheme right here that you want to change. So you can change it, which is really neat here. I have the default one just because it makes sense for me. But, of course, there is a dark sky color version. So if you're a fan of the dark sky color scheme, then you could change it to that as well right here. So yeah, it's just really great. And so yeah, it's just a fantastic neat little feature that to customize it and make it your own. And of course, your radar history, you could check how long you want your radar history for. And then your map settings. So your map setting, of course, you have your standard satellite version, hybrid. So of course, I like keeping it standard just because it looks a lot cooler in my opinion than the satellite or hybrid version. Of course, metric, you know, that's the measurements in my area, and that's what I learned in units and everything like that. And then of course your radar overlay, so smooth. I have it all turned on, of course, to play in the radar, the animations, everything. And that's pretty much it. And then of course you could change the rain viewer icon, which is really great. So there's a ton of great little icons designs that you could change and choose from. Of course, I really like the white and black, but also I'm a fan of the neon, that one, so I'm going to change it to that one right now. And of course, you can see data sources of the area. So of course, because I live in Canada, my data source mostly is from Environment Canada. So yeah, and then of course, depending on where you live, that's where you're gonna get your weather source as well. So it's really cool. And so yeah, that's RainViewer for you guys. The app, like I said, is free to download. And so if you're looking for a replacement app for dark sky, then I highly recommend you guys go check out RainViewer, because it is an amazing app and it works and it just looks really, really cool. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, if you guys enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel, because that does help a lot. Or you can, like the video. So that's it for now. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.